All right, we started off with one standard box of cake mix, you guys. Now we're gonna come in with a standard box of Jell-O, which is 3.9 ounces, and we're gonna add chocolate right into that. I have some buttermilk here, and I will be adding 1.25 cups into this mix so far. So we have the chocolate cake mix, we have the chocolate pudding, and now we're adding in some buttermilk, you guys. We are jazzing up this chocolate cake. I have 2 eggs. Let's put those right in there. Get all of that out. Ooh, yeah, there we go. And one more, we can't forget this little guy. So a total of 3 eggs just went in to our cake mix. On top of all of that, I have 1/2 cup of melted butter, so that'll just be the entire stick, you guys. This chocolatey goodness smells so delicious. I'm gonna start to mix it all up, making this batter, even better, you guys. Oh, I hope you stick around. The end result of this is gonna be phenomenal. I am so excited about this one. Wow, this looks so thick and creamy and good. And look at that, oof. It's gonna be nice and fluffy. Who would agree with me that this is always the best part? You better believe I'm gonna lick it, of the cake. You know, it's like people, they're scared of the egg. I'm not scared of the egg. Are you scared of the egg? I have never once got sick by eating the batter. I don't know. You tell me, you guys, what do you think? Are you licking your spoon or you're not? Now you can see here I brought in my fancy smancy silicone bundt pan, which it doesn't have to be silicone, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna plop this batter right in. Look at that. It's gonna be kind of thick at first. Don't worry, you're gonna smooth it out. Just get all of that chocolate goodness right into the bundt pan. It might take me a while, but it's okay, right? Good things come to those who wait. Isn't that what they say? Good things come to those who wait. Be patient. Patience is a virtue. Look at me. I'm just spitting them all out today, you guys. Life is good. Here we go. Finally, we got it all in. I'm going to use my clean fingers. I'm just going to scrape that right off. And you know what? Now I'm just going to lick it because it's not going to go back in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Can't let it go to waste. I told you. Now, look, we're spreading it all around, you guys. Now, if you're using the silicone bundt pan, you don't necessarily need to spray it. It'll be fine. But I did with no stick just because I feel like better safe than sorry, right? And look at, I'm just swirling. I got a groove going on here. I'm just kind of swirling it around, smoothing it out, getting my groove on. It's okay what it looks like on this side. You just want it to be balanced out, right? Because in the end, we're gonna end up flipping this over, and we don't want it to be lopsided. Okay, that looks great. I'll save that, I'll lick that later. And there we go, you guys. We're gonna take this, we're gonna stick it in the oven. We're gonna cook it at 350 for 35 minutes and stick around. We have so much more great stuff to come, you guys. I wasn't kidding when I said I'm really excited about this one. I can't wait to show you. Our chocolate cake is cooling down and it smells so good. So while that's cooling down, we are pouring in here to our little pot 2 cups of heavy cream. Now I have an entire 16-ounce bag of dark chocolate chips. We're gonna mix in with that heavy cream, you guys. Holy cow, this chocolate sauce is gonna be amazing. So you just wanna mix that all together. Make sure that you're stirring pretty frequently and keeping an eye on it. You don't wanna get it too hot because we want some nice, creamy, melted chocolate. Ooh, wait. Wow, look at that chocolate. Oh, everything's melted together, you guys. Chocolate sauce all the way. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Ooh, I'm so excited. Ooh, oh my goodness. Okay, it's the moment we've been waiting for. I let this cool down, although it is still a little warm, but ooh, I want it like that. Warm cake, oh, it's so delicious. All right, let's see if we can just flip this right over here. We're gonna put it right in the center of our cutting board. Oh, I like the silicone a lot. I feel like they're way easier. You guys, do you use, what kind of bundt pans or what kind of pans in general? Are you into the silicone? Tell me what you think about that. Wow, look at that. Woo. All right, we're gonna get some of this chocolate pieces off, make this nice and purty here. Okay, you guys, now you remember that delicious chocolate that we just made? We are gonna pour it right into the center. We are making a extremely delicious chocolate lava cake. Look at that. It's just filling up the middle, and if we're lucky, it might even drizzle over the sides just a little bit. Oh yeah, that's what we want, baby. Look at that. Ooh, we got a giant chocolate lava cake. I'm coming in here. I'm getting all the rest of that chocolate out. I cannot waste any of that. Ooh, I want to drip it kind of over these sides here. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Do you guys know why I was so excited about this? I mean, look at this masterpiece. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, this is the moment, really, the next moment, I should say. I've been waiting for all these moments, but look at the way this chocolate is just gonna start to pour out. Oh, the cake feels so moist. Ooh, and I love this bundt cake version. Look at that chocolate. That's exactly what I wanted to happen. I just wanted that chocolate to just start dripping all the way out. So look, I'm just gonna take my knife. I'm gonna saturate my chocolate cake right in there. I'm gonna put it right on my plate. Oh, yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. Look, I'm even gonna come in here with my spoon and I'm gonna get some more of this chocolate just because I'm a chocoholic. I totally am. I have to control myself. I'm not gonna lie. Every night before bed, I have some type of piece of chocolate. Do you do that? Or do you have something that you just can't live without and then you just say, you know what, screw it. This is my vice, you know? Look at that moist cake right there. Take a look at that. With the chocolate, you guys, giant chocolate lava cake. Wow, this is amazing. The cake is so moist, the chocolate overflowing. Now, you could definitely dust this with some powdered sugar. You could maybe put some cocoa powder on it. I don't know, you tell me. Maybe even some strawberries would be good. Ooh, some diced up strawberries on top, you guys. What are you gonna add to this delicious chocolate cake? Anything goes with chocolate, right? Anything goes with chocolate, or it makes it better. Tell me what you think about this recipe, you guys. I wanna hear your twists, your additions. Are you doing strawberries, powdered sugar? What are you doing? I don't know. Tell me all about it. I want to make this cake even better, even though, seriously, right here, this is a freaking home run. Bomb.com, 10 out of 10. Best chocolate cake I think I've ever had. Beats any restaurant lava cake. I'm standing towards that, you guys. I am putting my foot down and saying, you got to give this a try or you're totally missing out. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and we'll see you later. Enjoy.